I've fixed up the back. It's not pretty, but it should last. Now I'm working on the front, and it's actually working out a little better than before. So as you can see, they match up pretty nicely. Everything here. And I just have this last one to cut right here, and I'm just going to show you what I'm using here. It's this Japanese tool, and it's pretty razor sharp and very thin, as you can see. So once I cut this piece off, I'll have to cut this one, fit the main piece in. It's a little bigger than the one in the back, more beefy, and that's going to go in here. I was going to inset these, cut out a little section, but I don't think anybody's doing that online, so I'll probably just leave it like this, and maybe I'll modify the next canoe I'm going to make, since this has inspired me. They're fairly simple. Now that I don't have a stand on this thing, it's pretty hard to do the work and film yourself. So,
well, I'm not doing such a great job right now with this video, and I apologize. I'm trying to put this together a little fast. Notice that I haven't updated the skin on frame coat, probably because I haven't finished it. I wanted to get the Dacron and polyester, but I didn't get it this winter, and so I'm probably going to shelf it for another year until maybe this winter. Hopefully I'll have the skin polyester Dacron. I really like that. Anyway, just thought I'd put this together since I got some relatives in town. I wanted to show them some of the things I do.
well, camera's charged up again. How lovely. Still not fixed. Well, let's go take a look at the kayak. See how far I got with it. Well, there she is. As you can see, the front end is done. I'd like to sand this a little more, refinish it. But that's tied together, that's tied, that's tied. I have a new bracing in here, which is much better than what was there. And now I've been working on the seat area. So I've put in screws here since there wasn't any. And I am going to make a seat. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or put a whole piece across, and then maybe one here with a fishing rod holder or a drink holder or something. I was going to put one in the front, but I'm not sure if I have enough leg room to do that. Like to put something up like here and fit my legs underneath. Should have probably made plans before I took it apart. I'm a little afraid of trying to sit in it without it being in the water, since these are very very light. but I'd like to tie all these together too through the seat. And that way I can have a handle to grab onto when I'm lifting the canoe, kayak.
It's a pack boat, man. Get it
I
straight.
noticed it didn't have at the beginning. And I'll have a little handle here to lift it up. Maybe a rope or something. Anyway, it's going well. Just have to find out where I can buy the fabric for it. Kayak or pack boat. Putting a curve in there, taking a little bit of wood out. Same with the back. Kind of a hack job. I don't have the right tools for this. Anyway.
Right about now, you're probably asking yourself, why the hell is he doing that? Hey, that's kind of a reason. I'll tell you why. Because I don't have the backer on. It's on strangers. It's wasting time. Done. Got a nice handle on the seat. It's really strong. It's not the same old seat. Rug holders. And I guess I'll have to work on getting the polyester or dash. If anybody's got any ideas where I can get it in Canada, put some comments below. Thanks a lot. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao. Trip on this.